Okay, now we're going to learn how to multiply by 5. For example, in order to multiply by 5, we need to follow this rule. This rule is saying that a number times 5 is the same of a number divided by 2, then times 10. I know maybe for you it's kind of harder to do it like this way, but actually it's easier, because multiplying by 10 is really easy, because the system that we use is a decimal system. For example, let's do an example just to show you how easy it is using this way. Let's say we want to multiply 12 times 5. Okay, first of all, let's apply the rule. Let's divide 12 by 2. What is 12 divided by 2? It's 6. And what is 6 times 10? 60. That's why 12 times 5 is 60. Now, let's try a harder example. Let's say we want to multiply 2,468 times 5. Let me show you the following algorithm. We start from left to right. What is the half of 2? 1. What is the half of 4? 2. What is the half of 6? 3. What is the half of 8? 4. And finally, we need to multiply this number by 10, meaning that we have to put a 0 at the end. Okay, that was kind of easy because all the numbers were even. All the digits of the number were even. So what if we have an odd number? Let's check this out. For example, 456 times 5. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 5. In this case, we have an odd digit. Half of 5, actually, we need to subtract 1. Every time we have an odd digit, we need to subtract 1 to this number. We got 4. And we need to add 10 to the next digit. So we have 16. Now, we do half of 4. What is half of 4? Is 2. And what is half of 16? Is 8. And then finally, we put the 0 at the end. Just remember this trick right here. Every time you have an odd digit, you subtract 1 and you add 10 to a neighbor. Okay? Let's do the hardest exercise. For example, A476358 times 5. Let's do it. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 7. 7 is an odd digit. So let's make 6 and 16. Half of 6, 3. Half of 16, 8. Half of 3, let's make this one odd, even, is 2. And let's add 10 to the next one. Half of 2, 1. Half of 15 is also odd. So let's make this one 14. And let's add 10 to the next one. Half of 14, 7. Half of 18, 9. And finally, we need to multiply this number by 10, which means we have to put a 0 at the end. In this case, the answer of 8,476,358 times 5 is 42,381,790. And that's how the multiplication of 5 has to be done.